Energize your morning with a dynamic dumbbell workout. Hey there, early birds. Sun with Face, welcome to today's invigorating session crafted to give your morning the perfect jumpstart. Whether you're new to exercising or just looking to infuse your mornings with an extra boost, this energizing dumbbell workout is just what you need to wake up your muscles, hit refresh on your body, and set a positive tone for an amazing day ahead. All you need is a dose of enthusiasm, a pair of light to medium dumbbells, just 10 minutes of your precious morning, and a positive mindset primed to rock and roll. Remember to keep some water close by to stay hydrated and always tune in to what your body is telling you. All right, before we dive headlong into today's energetic workout, let's warm up those muscles and get those joints nice and limber. This will not only prime your body for the exercises to come, but also help prevent any unwanted injuries. So let's get moving. 1. Arm circles, 30 seconds. Stretch out your arms to the sides and start circling them forward in small, controlled motions. After 15 seconds, reverse those circles. Feel that gentle awakening spreading from your shoulders down your arms? That's energy. Marching in place with arm swings, 30 seconds. Get those knees lifting high as you march on the spot and swing your arms naturally. Feel your heart rate beginning to rise? Let's channel that energy to get your body ready to move hard and fast. 3. Side lunges, 30 seconds. Step out to the side, bending one knee while keeping the other leg straight, and alternate from side to side. This loosens up your hips and legs perfectly, prepping you for the exercise challenges ahead. 4. Torso twists, 30 seconds. Stand tall and gently twist your torso side to side, letting your arms swing freely. This move is fantastic for waking up your core and spine, getting your core prepped for action. All right, it's time to grab those dumbbells and power through today's workout. We have a set of 6 dynamic exercises, each a minute long. Don't worry, I'll guide you through proper form and offer modifications if you need them. Let's push through and amplify that morning energy. Dumbbell deadlifts, 1 minute. Hold your dumbbells facing your thighs, feet hip-width apart. Hinge at the hips with a straight back as the dumbbells lower to just below your knees. Then squeeze your glutes hard as you stand tall. This powerhouse move strengthens hamstrings and the lower back. Say hello to better posture. 2. Overhead press, 1 minute. Stand tall, holding the dumbbells at shoulder height. Press them directly overhead, then lower with control. Keep the core engaged, avoiding any back arch. This builds those shoulders and upper arms like nothing else. 3. Goblet squats, 1 minute. Clutch one dumbbell close to your chest, stand feet wider than shoulder width apart, and squat like you're about to settle into an invisible chair. Keep your chest up, knees over toes. Feel that fiery goodness energizing your legs and glutes? 4. Bent over rows, 1 minute. Hinge at those hips, allowing the dumbbells to hang in front. Draw them towards your ribs, mindfully squeezing your shoulder blades, then lower them slowly. This move builds up your upper back and arms. Move strong. 5. Russian twists, 1 minute. Seated on the mat, with one dumbbell clasped in both hands, twist from side to side. Keep those feet planted or lift them for a challenge. It's all about strengthening those obliques and activating the core. 6. Dumbbell side raises, 1 minute. Hold your dumbbells at your sides, lifting them to shoulder height before lowering slowly. Maintain controlled movements and a tight core. Sculpt those shoulders and harness more morning excitement. Fantastic work, everyone. Now it's time to cool down with some relaxing stretches, soothing those lively muscles. Forward fold stretch, 30 seconds. Stand tall, hinge from the hips, and let your arms float towards the floor. Feel that stretch across your hamstrings and back. It's rejuvenating. 2. Cat-cow stretch, 30 seconds. On hands and knees, inhale while arching back, cow. Exhale while rounding your spine and tucking chin, cat. This motion releases tension along the spine remarkably. 3. Shoulder stretch, 30 seconds per side. Cross one arm over your chest, using the other hand to gently push it closer. Switch sides after 30 seconds. You've worked those shoulders wonderfully. And there you have it, a swift yet mighty effective dumbbell workout crafted to supercharge your morning. Your whole body has been activated, your energy has been boosted, and you've set the mood for a high-vibe day. How fantastic do you feel? Remember to hydrate, fuel up with a healthy breakfast to sustain that energy, and give yourself a well-deserved pat on the back for turning up today. If you enjoyed this session, show it some love by giving a thumbs up, share it with a friend in need of some morning motivation, and hit that subscribe button for more dynamic workouts. Until next time, have a remarkable day.